the agricultural sector here in Uganda remains the most important sector. It is the sector that supports the majority of Ugandans, where over 70% of the people derive their livelihoods from this sector.
The machines which we got were rudimentary machines. Of course, in ports, they are Joakali machines. And these machines, with them, they were not effective. Originally, there we used to, with a lot of hard work, we used to produce a maximum of 40 kilos in a week. That is to the maximum.
So the Food Incubation Center is actually a result of the Food Processing Technology Transfer Project, or whenever we receive something, the first thing that it goes through is the grain cleaner. The grain cleaner just cleans any type of grains that you have, from sim to bins. The only thing we have to do is change the screens. Then we have dryers. These dryers in Korea specifically dry chili, but can also dry any agricultural product. So you can dry anything from pumpkins to leaves to maize to whatever it is that you want to dry. These dryers will do it for you. Then we have the roller mill and a separate rice cleaner also in the same section, which is the receiving section. For the main production room, which is where I'm standing right now, we have a humidifier, an extruder, ribbon mixer, roaster, and these all work in conjunction to produce whatever different products that you want to produce using the extruder. In the third room, which is the packaging room, we have two different packaging lines, one for powder and one for puffed snacks. There's also a bakery that is attached to this project, and in the bakery we've also got extensive state-of-the-art machinery, right from dough mixers, dough molders, dough sheeters, bun dividers, provers, ovens, and bread cutters. Right now, we are looking at three main target beneficiaries. The first one being small companies that are starting up. These companies are encouraged to come to Kawanda and apply under the incubation program and be incubatees. If these companies come and they're incubatees, they stand to have a lot of benefits, such as working with doctors or working with people that are already skilled in this field of food processing to help them develop their products. After their products are developed, several analysis tests and food safety tests and the like can be done on their products before they are put out on the market, to ensure that when they leave here and they leave with a product, their product is going to be perfect with everything about the product already completed. So that is the first target group that we have. Small, upcoming companies, we can help them develop. The second one is already developed companies. You might be there and you already have your formula. You are already doing something, but then you want to come and try and do your production here, maybe because of the bigger machines that we have, or maybe we have a different machine and you want to see how it can work for you. So with these ones, you just come, you bring us your product, and we produce it for you, and then you pay us a small fee at the end of that. Being a research institute, we are also targeting the doctors here to help them with their research, or the scientists that are here. We want to help them with their research. So our machines are also available for them to conduct whatever research and experiments that they wish to do. There are small fees that are required to be paid by the incubators, but these are decided on after you apply, and we rightly assess your needs. Like, we rightly assess what kind of expertise you're going to be needing, what kind of machines you're going to be using. After that, a small cost will be attached to the incubation fee, and yeah.
Quality is very different in terms of the color, in terms of the taste, and the flavor itself, and the smell itself.
The expected outcomes will be provide high quality food products to the market and disseminate advanced food processing technology and knowledge to Uganda, and also substitute for the imported processing food and export. Also expand business opportunity by using semi-finished goods and finished goods. Finally, to enhance the managerial capacity of the startup.